like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Guys, it's here. I'm excited. This is my Allure beauty box. And the cost of this is, I believe, right around 15, 20 bucks. I'll put it up here. I can't ever remember, even when I write it down. I just did another video and I buried it. So for all the good that did. But anyway, this is one of my favorites, and it's one of the cheaper ones. So when you open it up, I should show you what it looks like when you open it up. There you go. And then you have this book. I need to get my glasses. Hold. Okay, guys. Now I can see. We'll have to. I finally go to the eye doctor Monday. So, we'll know something then. But anyhow, then they also give you an advertise for, I don't know what this is. It says, an Allure beauty box gift subscription, so if you want to do it for somebody else. And here's the men's, which I kind of like that concept, but I also live alone. My grandson would use it. He would use it, but people across the street, they're having a race, I guess, to see who's going to die first. He keeps having heart attacks. She's been on oxygen for years. He's now on oxygen. And she's been having really bad stomach trouble. She's been, it's just, and honestly, if you don't believe in love, those two will make you believe. And I'm just amazing people. So anytime I worry to death, anytime I hear an ambulance, because I know what's going on. But anyway, back to minding my own business. I was so excited for this. I knew it was coming because you had to pick your shade, so I knew it was coming. Now, I have never tried anything YSL because I'm cheap. And it's not. It's not cheap. It's expensive. And again, I will put the prices of these down, and I will send you to, and there will be a link below with a coupon to get $10 off your first box, something like that. Can't go wrong. But anyway, let me open this. Look how pretty. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. They had about 4 colors you could choose from. Now this you can use as a lip, and that's what color it is. It's not bolted on. Just stick some more stuff on my lip. And you can also use it as a rouge. So it's a twofer. But I was really excited about it because I have never had anything from YSL in my life. And I love that. I love that packaging. I mean, you open that up in public, it just reeks. Oh, how much you pay for that? Doesn't it? It just reeks it. But anyway, so I'm happy to get that because I've never been able to try anything in theirs because I'm poor. I'm PYT, poor white trash. Proud of it. Don't get me wrong, I'm proud of it. And that is full size, just so you know. Then we have this. Now this is, which I like, Ahava's leave-in conditioner. I use all the time, but this is their Essential Day Moisturizer for normal to dry skin. Now I'm not sure if they had different, for oily or whatever. This is also full size, and this is 2.5 fluid ounces. And it says hydrate right there, so let's see if we can open her up. It's got, and now Allure, to me, for value, is right up there with Walmart. I mean, the Walmart bag, they just texted me that they were getting ready to do their spring boxes. Walmart is like about $7 a quarter. And occasionally they'll offer you an upgrade. And I like that. I do like that. I can't get it open. But this, you get some really good names in here. Obviously, your first two is Ahava and YSL. I bitch about these hard to open ones, but I'm grateful for them too, because then people didn't mess with them. This is what it looks like. Oops, that came out rather rapid. And it's a day more. Ooh, that feels good. And it soaks in really fast, which, does it say? Something to hydrate. Yeah, it says moisturizer, so I'm assuming it's for your face, because usually they'll tell you like hand cream, so I'm assuming this is, you could probably use it anywhere. But, okay, then what's the next thing we got here? Did they put the values in here? Doesn't say the values anywhere, I don't think. Okay, so there's that one. Then we have, let's try this one. This is BALM. Now, if I'm reading this right, FORMULAÉ PRESCOTT BALM Cleanser Stick, full size. Why you'll love it. This stick works a bit of magic. Cleaning without water, refresh skin on the go. A trio of nourishing botanicals. Carrots, rice bran, wheat germ. Don't exactly sound sexy, but feel heavenly. Run the stick over skin and then rinse or wipe it away. So yes, you can use it with or without water. And inside it's a 50% off coupon. Those are nice. This is something totally new to me. I have never seen it before. This is what it looks like. You take the lid off, just like a deodorant, and you roll it up. And let's see what happens. Then you just wipe it off. So, interesting. Or you can use water, it says. You can use water or you can just wipe it off. That's interesting, especially if you're on the go. That'd be good to throw in your purse for when you're just on the go and on the run. Well, moms, you know how you gotta go and go and go? That'd be great to throw in your purse. Yeah, I've been a ball mom a whole long time. So, yep, that's that. And then we have Happy Skin Enzyme Facial Exfoliator. And that's what that looks like. Let's see if I can open it. Curiosity. Killed the cat and it's about to kill me. Ew. Oh, that was because it shifted in shipping. And I thought it was just going to roll right out of there. But no. See, it just... What is this? Enzyme Facial Exfoliator. My hands go... Ooh, that's got a little grit in it. See what it does? And it just... It's got enzymes in it. And then I assume you wash it out with the water. Let's see if I can get it off my finger. Ooh, that's fun. My hand's really soft where I put all that stuff on there. It's really soft. But that's that. And let's see. Retails for $26 for 100 gram. How many did we get? I have no idea how much we got. But you can buy it at LUSH.com. And it's, if you look on the bottom of this, you see that? It's got an avatar of the person who made it for you, because they're all made individually. So that's his name, which is interesting because they are handmade. So that's kind of cool. And then we got jeez. And this is Commodity Milk Plus, which means it's stronger than the regular milk. I gave my sister a bottle of milk in her ad that I did for her. Do I have both those in here yet? I don't think I do. I don't think I do. But anyway, it comes in like this. And it's just a, you know, a deluxe sample size, I would say. But this stuff is stronger than the regular one. So bear that in mind. I'll put it here on my hand. Ooh. And you see, it's got a lot of moisture to it, but it'll evaporate. So I'm going to wait till that evaporates. I can smell it from here. This is stronger, so you may want to just, you know, use on your pressure points, because it is stronger than the normal one. It's the same scent, but stronger. I don't know. That's what I'm understanding. The art of perfumery shouldn't be intuitive. They're trying to make the exceptional affordable. That's what they're saying. But I also read what the full size of that cost. And it is, how much was it? $145 for 100 mil. I don't know what we got. Let's see, what did we get? Does it say? It says you got it upside down, goofy. We got 0.7. So just be aware. When they're saying they're trying to make it affordable, they're not trying to make it affordable by everybody. And then we have Beauty. I might have to read that in the book. But there you go. There's what it looks like. And this is Jazmine Beauty Brow Boss Styling Wax. That's what that is. And it's $20. I don't know. It's $20 though. I don't know if this is full size or not. I have no idea. But now brow gel is usually small. So, let's see if I can get her open. Come on, baby. There, I got it. Now, this is what it looks like outside of the box. And this is the lid. So you see it. Oh, it goes this way. Sorry. Being a wife's job secure right now. There you go. Okay, now it looks like it has nothing in it. But I believe it's clear. Yeah, it's clear brow gel. And so it's just like a gel. And you just comb it through your little eyebrows. You don't need much. And it keeps them down so you don't look like the Wizard and Wizard of Oz. You know, them big bushy eyebrows he had. So anyway, that's the Allure box. Like I said, this one is always worth the money. It's one of my favorites. I'll leave a link below so you can get some money off. Feel free to use it or not. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Bye.